Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Photopea app on your mobile phone. If you want to remove the app from your phone and don't know how to do it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. So first of all, find the Photopea app on your mobile phone. Scroll to your right and locate the app. Once you locate the app, keep on tapping the app just like this. Then here you can find the option of remove app. Now select it. Now to remove the app, here you can find the option of delete app. Now simply select it. Then again the app will ask for your confirmation for the last time. Then again tap on to delete. And now you can see the app has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete the app from your phone very easily. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.